What if I told you? You might be eating one of the healthiest foods on the planet, but getting almost zero benefit from it? Yes, I'm talking about flax seeds. Millions of people add flax seeds to their diet every day, sprinkling them on oatmeal, mixing them in smoothies, or eating them raw. And still, they see no weight loss, no improvement in digestion, no hormonal balance. So what's going wrong? Is flaxseed overrated? Or are we using it completely wrong? Today, you're going to discover the real truth about flaxseed, and more importantly, the exact science-backed method to unlock its full power. Flax seeds are not just another healthy trend. They are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. Let's break it down simply. 1. Fiber powerhouse. Flax seeds are loaded with soluble and insoluble fiber. This means better digestion, reduced bloating, improved gut movement, feeling full for longer. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds contain ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. This helps reduce inflammation, support heart health, improve brain function. 3. Lignans, the secret weapon. Here's what most people don't know. Flax seeds are the richest source of lignans on the planet. These compounds act as powerful antioxidants, help balance hormones, support weight loss, may even reduce risk of chronic diseases. But here's the shocking truth. Your body cannot use lignans directly. They must be activated first. And this is where most people fail. Why flaxseed doesn't work for most people. Let's expose the 3 biggest mistakes. Mistake 1. Eating too little. Most people take 1 teaspoon or sprinkle a tiny amount. That's not enough. Research suggests you need around 25 to 30 grams daily, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Anything less, you won't see real results. Mistake 2. Eating whole seeds. This is a big mistake. Whole flax seeds pass through your body undigested. That means no nutrient absorption, no lignin activation. Ground flaxseed increases absorption significantly. Always use freshly ground flax seeds. Mistake 3. Poor gut health. Here's the game changer. Your gut bacteria convert lignans into enterodiol, enterolactone. These are the active forms. If your gut is weak, flaxseed will not work. That's why probiotics are critical. Section 3. The perfect daily protocol. Now let's fix everything with a simple 3-step system. Step 1. Morning activation drink. Take 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1 glass warm water. Drink it 10 to 15 minutes before breakfast. Why? Activates digestion, controls blood sugar spikes, reduces cravings, keeps you full longer. Pro tip: add a pinch of cinnamon for better blood sugar control. Step 2. Midday gut boost. Before lunch, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, warm water, and include a probiotic food, yogurt, kefir, fermented vegetables. This helps activate lignans, improve absorption, strengthen gut bacteria. Step 3. Night fat-burning combo. Before dinner, 1 tablespoon flaxseed, 1 teaspoon soaked fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek helps improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, support fat loss overnight. Section 4. Extra power tip. If you want even better results, follow these. Always store ground flaxseed in fridge. Don't heat flaxseed too much. Drink enough water. Start slowly to avoid bloating. Flaxseed is powerful, but not for everyone. Avoid or consult doctor if you have bowel obstruction, you are pregnant in high doses, you take blood-thinning medication. Possible side effects: gas, bloating initially. Start small and increase gradually. So now you know, flaxseed is not the problem. The way you use it is. Fix these 3 things. Right quantity, right form, right gut support, and you'll start seeing real results. Better digestion, more energy, and even weight loss. Try this for 3 to 4 weeks, because consistency is the key for good result. And your body will thank you. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share the video with someone who needs it. Because your health deserves the truth. Thanks for watching.